On today's video, we're going to turn this into this. Did you catch that? C is for cookie, it's good enough for me. Is that how it goes?
I don't know, but we kind of look like Cookie Monster.
Oh, roll the intro. What is up, my keto friends, and you know who you are. Welcome back to another video on this channel. I'm Byron Dice.
And I'm Susan Dice.
If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to live a simple keto lifestyle and other keto related topics, do me a favor, click right below. There's a red subscribe button. Click that, then move over a little bit, and there's a little bell icon. Click that, and then the word all, so you don't miss any notifications when we post great keto content on this channel. Now, like I said before, C is for cookie. White chocolate macadamia nut cookies. Who doesn't love that junk?
Yum.
Right?
My favorite cookie.
It is one of the favorites.
My favorite.
And who hasn't bought a pack of those at Walmart before? Sam's, that big tray,
oh, yeah.
Whatever, dude. And you just munch on it with a glass of milk. Are you joking me? Oh, by the way, I don't know if you've noticed anything. Susan and I are kind of dressed similar today.
Twinkies! Oh,
with
keto
my
Twinkies.
keto friends. We finally got a t-shirt. We were just testing the waters to see what it would look like on a t-shirt.
Yeah, we don't expect you guys to buy any merch.
Right,
actually, I wore it
unless you want to.
I wore it to Sam's, and people were like looking at it, and like I actually engaged in talking to two people about keto because of my shirt.
Yeah, and then I went to the back alley, and somebody was like, "Hey, can I have a bite of that biscuit?" And then I was like, "Well, no, but you can have my autograph." And they were like, "Later," but that didn't happen. Anyway, cookies on today's video. Guess what we found?
So excited.
Okay, number one. We have been on this channel cooking with Lily's. Lily's is a staple on our channel and in our lifestyle right now. Lily's baking chips, chocolate chips. We've been using those for quite a while. Now, we have told everybody that there was a white chocolate chip out there from Bake Believe, and we've purchased those and used them.
We didn't like them. We really didn't like them. Not so much.
It didn't taste like a white chocolate.
No, it had a minty flavor. But
Lily's has just stepped their game up. Now they have white chocolate baking chips in addition to milk chocolate. So the line's getting bitter.
They also have the semi-sweet too, but we just like milk chocolate.
Thank you, Lily. I mean, I don't know who you are, but you have made my life incredibly more sweet. Okay, also there is butterscotch flavored baking chips. Are you kidding me?
Yep. And Byron's favorite, mint chocolate chip.
I don't like mint. However, I'll eat a peppermint patty every now and then, but not on keto.
I've never seen you eat a peppermint patty.
Oh, I have. Like, come around Halloween, when somebody will throw one in my basket, it'll be gone before the night's over.
Because you go trick-or-treating. So
with a basket.
Yeah.
Right.
An Easter basket. Anyway, yeah, we tried these, and the mint is not overpowering at all. I can see putting this on some Thin Mints, making some keto Thin Mints.
And who is that restaurant that gives you Andes? At the
Olive
end
Garden.
of your Olive Garden. I'm telling you, because it's got a little piece of chocolate with a mint layer underneath. You could so make that. So it's about to get crazy up in this My Keto Friend family with all this yummy goodness for baking. I'm about to do some butterscotch peanut butter cookies. Mixing it up with white chocolate, butterscotch, peanut butter, mint cookies. What?
Can we get to making?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, and for today's recipe, we have 1 1/4 cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of coconut flour, 1 tablespoon of arrowroot, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of xanthan gum, 10 1/2 tablespoons of butter. We have 8 tablespoons of brown erythritol, 1 teaspoon of molasses, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 3 ounces of Lily's white chocolate chips, and 2.5 ounces of chopped macadamia nuts.
Peep game. There it is, folks. Here's to good friends. The night is kind of special. Let it be macadamia nuts.
Why are you singing a beer commercial from the 80s?
Nobody knows that, and it's from the 70s.
Whatever.
Low and brow. Look at that, junk people. A big plate of white chocolate chip macadamia nuts. I know that's a mouthful. Maybe it should be abbreviated.
They got a little dun around the edges, and they kind of spread out a little too much. But I was kind of excited about that because, like, I've never had any cookies to spread out like that. So the recipe that we used is Keto Num Num chocolate chip. The information will be down below
in the description below.
And
yeah, her website is, I said website. Her website is numnum.com. Spelled with a G.
G-N-O-M. She's got a lot of
recipes out there. Now, we did tweak ours a little bit. So we'll use like a base. Mm-hmm. But, of course, you can get the ingredients and everything that we used to make these specific cookies in the description below. Yeah. However,
I went ahead
Susan
and folded
tweaked it a bit because you used brown sugar.
Yeah, I used brown sugar.
You used a little brown sugar in this, which I haven't tasted
all.
this, so I'm pretty excited to taste it. What else about the cookie?
I also went ahead and folded in the white chocolate chip because...
Yeah, her recipe called for sprinkling them right 6 minutes into baking.
Yeah, I started to do that, and I'm like, dude, this is taking like forever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and what we actually did is we put it all on the cookie sheet, and then we sprinkled it on because we were gonna put it on before we cooked it, and I was like, this is taking forever. So we scraped it all off. Probably should be telling you this because the magic of whatever.
Behind the scenes.
Yeah, but we scraped it all off, and then I just folded
season.
it all in because I'm like,
Yeah, because when she did that, what?
I said nobody got time for that.
All right. When she did that, I was like, do we want just the chocolate chips to be right on the top? I don't think it's going to get through the whole cookie. And when I eat a chocolate chip cookie, the chocolate chips are usually distributed throughout the whole cookie.
The way it spread,
right?
I don't think it would have been an
You think
issue,
it would have sunk down in it?
I don't know. Anyway,
we'll experiment with it. Maybe next time we won't flatten them down. I think it'll have a nice smaller spread of a cookie.
When we bake them, they kind of all baked together.
Yeah.
So
all right, let's get a shot. You want to get this big one here, like this one?
Okay.
Okay.
Do we share one, or do you want your own?
What do you? Well.
I want to split.
Do you want to split it?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh, and I got a nice cup of almond milk. Now I know a lot of people have problems with that because they think, wait a minute, almonds don't have teats, and how do you get milk out of that?
Oh my gosh.
But they did it. I don't know how they did it, but
bigger piece.
Okay, ready? Sink it. All right. Boop. All right, here we go. Okay. Okay, the outside did get a little done because I hit a little crunch on that outside. It was a little tough to get through there.
I don't hate it.
But I'm gonna go to the center and get a better fit for that. Hold on. Wait a minute.
Well, you know what?
Almond. Oh, that's special right there, boys.
These are really good.
Okay, hold on. Look, that crunch isn't bad.
And and also you're like, I don't see any big chunks of macadamia, and he said it just like this. I don't see any big chunks of macadamia nuts. When you eat a chocolate chip macadamia nut cookie, you're supposed to see big chunks of macadamia nuts. And there is big chunks of macadamia nut.
Okay, that was a good one. That was a good one. Wow. When I got in the middle, the meat of this cookie. Okay, when we were doing the batter, I was concerned because the brown sugar. Normally, we will take our erythritol and we will grind it up and with a coffee grinder and make it into a powder. So we use powdered swerve. I mean, not powdered swerve. We powder our own erythritol because that's what Swerve does. Well, Swerve brand, the brown sugar, they don't powder theirs.
No, because it's brown
It's
sugar.
granular. So when I was tasting the batter, it tasted like sand, and I was like, "Is my cookie going to taste like that?" And I was really concerned, but none of that. There's no sand in here, so the brown sugar got cooked very well.
You were concerned. Those are really good, and they are kind of chewy. They're more chewy than
in the center.
Yeah.
I think maybe if we would have taken them out a little sooner and not get the edges brown, go all the way through.
Yeah, we ended up baking them for I think 14 minutes. So
yeah.
That was a little longer than what she called for, but they didn't look done enough when I saw them, and then all of a sudden, boop! I'm gonna break off another piece. So I like the crispy edges.
I do too. It's very delicious, and you can't beat it. The thing is, when you cook these at home, just watch it and experiment because your oven may be completely different. We have a gas oven, so it may be hotter or whatever, but just kind of play with it and keep your eye on them so you don't overcook them.
Dude, those are amazing.
Yeah, I'm about to put these in a big bowl and eat like what was that? What's that cookie?
Cookie Crunch.
Yeah, Cookie Crisp. Yeah, Cookie Crisp.
I was getting Captain Crunching. Yeah.
Right. Hold on.
It's so good.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, these are dangerous.
Y'all gotta get those, boys. That's a great, and I'll put all the macros in the description. It probably has too many calories, but they're very low in carbs, so that's not gonna hurt you right now.
Well, I mean, to do it every now and then. It'll be okay.
It's a good treat.
I think probably even without the molasses, because the molasses added how much extra carbs?
I don't know.
But I think you could probably even do it without the
molasses. Right now? Nope.
She said that it's optional. I just wanted to try it because I thought, maybe it'll make it look real brown and.
Or maybe it'll taste different. I don't know. Well, that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for liking this video. And thanks for subscribing and commenting on this video. And also share this on all your social media platforms with your friends so that they can live a simple keto lifestyle as well. And until next time, keep it cookie.
That'll work.
Oh, she likes it again.
I don't like it.
That's 2.
It'll work.
It's 2.